These are my presentation in making visual merchandise. The theme that I'm going to discuss is color inspiration. A fresh start to this requires me a lot of discussion to decide what theme I'm going to make and what will be the impact of the theme in our society. I want to impose in our community that is always a fresh start of everything. The main principles of design used in this place are balance, emphasis, proportion, rhythm, color, lighting, and harmony. These principles apply to all displays, window and interior. Where is the display going to be set up and how will the location determine the design? There are many types of locations for display in every store. Windows, walls, cases, gondolas, or islands. The principles of display should help make the location work for the display. Principles of design used in display. To execute a display that will sell merchandise, it is necessary to have a working knowledge of the principles of design. The primary principles of design used in display include balance, proportion, rhythm, emphasis, color, lighting, and harmony. When applied appropriately, all parts of the display are pulled together to create a purposely effective and aesthetically pleasing presentation. An understanding of these principles will make it easier to design a display for all types of merchandise. The principles are discussed separately to provide a clearer understanding of how each works. Five of the principles will be covered in this chapter, with color and lighting featured in the next chapter. Creative displays, while individuals' creativity and artistic play a major role in merchandise displays. Here are some main principles that you should consider. Don't forget to apply the elements and principles of design to your projects. The elements of the design are line, shape, form, size, space, color, value, and texture, while the principle of designs are novelty, variety, harmony, unity, balance, proportion, emphasis, contrast, rhythm, and pattern. Effectively use colors, texture, shape, forms, and lines. Establish a focal point on your window display for easy viewing. Then harmonize each element of your display to maintain neatness and to direct the eyes of your viewer to each element of displays. A wardrobe stylist is distinct from a costume designer, the person who clothes fictional characters in film, television, or theater. A wardrobe stylist is distinct from an image consultant or a color consultant. A person can be a color consultant without knowing basic principles of line or style. An image consultant is an expert in both color and line and may work with business professionals or individuals, as opposed to celebrities in particular. Acquire the fundamental knowledge on visual merchandising like every other profession under these respective fields. There are technical terms and basic principles every visual merchandiser needed to know to become effective in visual merchandising. The ultimate goal of the visual merchandising blog designing it. This is the first skill that you need as visual merchandiser. I am referring to designing in general. Your main concern as visual merchandiser is to set up the point of purchase.